On problem 1 of exam 4, it tells us, suppose that a particle moves along a curve with acceleration defined by a of t equal to negative 24t plus 8. Find the equation of the positions st if the initial positions start at 5 meters with a velocity of 20 meters per second at t equals 2. So, from what we know from this problem, a of t is equal to negative 24t plus 8. Before we can find position, we have to find velocity equation. The velocity equation, from what we know, is the integral of a of t. This means, in order to find velocity, we have to integrate this acceleration. This gives us a velocity equation of negative 24 t squared over 2 plus 8t plus c. Simplified to negative 12 t squared plus 8t plus c. But we have a c. In order to solve for this c, we have to look back at our problem. And then we see it tells us the initial position started with a velocity of 20 meters per second at t equals 2. Therefore, this means that as our t is equal to 2, then it will be equal to 20. So thus, we put 2 as our t. And then set equal to 20, then solve for c. Simplify, and then isolate the c. Then, this gives us an equation of velocity of t is equal to negative 12 t squared plus 8t plus c. Then, we can find an integral of velocity in order to get our speed. So thus, our speed equation is equal to the integral of velocity. Meaning, we can integral negative 12 t squared plus 8t plus c, giving us negative 12t cubed over 3 plus 8t squared over 2. Remember, our c is 52. So then, this will be 52t. Plus d. Remember that since this equation is different from velocity, we use the variable of d instead of c. Then, this will equal 4t cubed plus 4t squared plus 52t plus d. Now we solve for d using what we can, referring back to the problem. In this case, if the initial position started at 5 meters, meaning at position 0, it is equal to 5. So then, to solve for d, we put t equal to 0. And then set the equation equal to 5. These all will turn into zeros and leave us with just isolated d equal to 5. Therefore, then, we can implement it back into our equation to give us our final solution of st equal to negative 4t cubed plus 4t squared plus 52t plus d.